The government of Bangladesh spends around $10 billion every year on public procurement. When this system is transparent and efficient, public funds benefit those who need them most. In the past, however, no uniform regulatory framework for procurement existed. The process was outdated, lengthy, and complex. Inefficiencies and inappropriate use of funds reportedly cost the country over 1.5% GDP growth a year. In response, the government has made a sustained and systematic commitment to transform public procurement. Since 2002, it has introduced 4 pillars of change. Institution building. It established the Central Procurement Technical Unit to regulate public procurement. Regulatory framework. The Parliament passed a Public Procurement Act and provided in detail all rules for all types of procurement. All public sector agencies now follow this system countrywide. Institutionalization and professionalization of capacity. The government instituted a pioneering capacity development program that has become a model for other countries. 18 courses targeted to a range of government and non-government actors, an international accreditation program, and a master's in procurement. Digitizing procurement. It rolled out a self-sustaining and integrated electronic government procurement system, EGP, with 4 key public sector agencies, which together spend more than 50% of Bangladesh's annual development program. The government initiated a grassroots campaign to change the behavior of those involved with public procurement. The reforms led to remarkable change, improved efficiency, increased transparency, enhanced competition. These reforms are revitalizing Bangladesh. National resources are better used than before, reducing poverty and accelerating growth. Across the country, people's standard of living is improving. The government's commitment to them continues.